The one in electrical system service required is always connected with a 12-volt battery system in Mitsubishi vehicles. The problem may be with a weak battery, bad connections, or quite often with an alternator. So here's how you can test it. First of all, it would be nice to test the battery with a load tester. If it drops voltage under load, the battery will need to be replaced. Then twist the connectors on the battery clamps with your hand and see if they are tight. Also, if you see any corrosion on the terminals, clean them thoroughly. The next step would be to check the ground connection. Just track down the wire that connects the negative battery terminal to a metal body part under the hood. This ground point should be clean and tightened properly. After that, have a look at the alternator. If the belt is broken, the system will not get proper voltage and the battery will die. If you couldn't find the culprit of the problem, there are two main problems that are left to check. First of all, it would be nice to check the fuses, especially the ones in the little box near the positive terminal of the battery. And secondly, the alternator will need to be checked. You can just measure the voltage on the battery terminals right after you start the engine. It should jump up to 14.5 volts approximately, but not higher than 15 and not lower than 13. If you have 12 volts after you start the engine or over 15 volts, it means that the alternator will need to be repaired or replaced.